To add the analog clock or digital clock to the standby screen on the iPhone 16 series. So first, let's return back to the home screen. So here I will return it back, go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, make sure you plug your phone into a charger and have your phone sit sideways. Once your phone go into standby mode, make sure you go to your widget screen. So here at the moment, this is the clock screen. We swipe to the right to go to your widget screen. And from here, you have two different widgets, the one on the left and the one on the right. They are both of the same widget type, but it is divided into two different widgets. Here, we're going to touch and hold on the left widget, touch and hold, then tap on the add button at the top corner here. From here, we then scroll down and tap on clock. Next, on the right panel, you can swipe to the left or to the right to select a different clock. So here we have digital clock, we have analog clock. So you can choose analog clock or digital clock, and there are a lot of different clocks that you can choose from. So select your favorite clock type, then tap on add widget, and then tap on done. So here we have add in a clock to the left widget panel, the left stack, smart stack, and from here you can also rotate between the different available widgets. Okay, so if you have too many widgets added to the smart stack, you can delete them. So here you can see I have two different clocks added, so I can delete one of them. So touch and hold, then tap on the remove button, then tap on remove, and then tap on done. And that is how you can remove your clock widget from your standby screen. You can also make modifications to your right hand widget as well, and from here you can also add in the clock widget. They are the same thing, just two different widgets allow you to add in more widgets on each side of the screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.